open the throttle up to about 2,500, 3,000 RPMs. Back off of it a little. 2,000, 1,500. A little bit more. Try to get it down to about $1,000 or less. So I don't have a tachometer in here, so. Yep, there it went. About, what, 10 tries to get it to fire back up. Breathe, baby, breathe. Ah. Always happens when I have this much gas in the tank. Oh, gotta let it rest for a few.